In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Microsoft form with a QR code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any form you've made into a QR code that people can scan with their phones to access it instantly. This is really useful for in-person events, classrooms, posters, or anywhere you want quick, easy access without typing in a long link. First, make sure you already have a form created in Microsoft Forms. You can use either an existing form or a new one you've just set up. Once you're signed in and on the main Microsoft Forms page, look for the form you want to use. Click on that form to open it. You should now see the full form editor where you can view and adjust your questions, responses, and settings. Take a moment to confirm everything in your form is ready to go. Check that your questions are correct, your options make sense, and any required fields are set up properly. It's a good idea to preview the form quickly to see what it looks like from the participant's perspective. Once you're happy with the form, you're ready to generate the QR code. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Send button. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to share your form. Go ahead and click Send. A sharing window will open, giving you different ways to distribute your form, such as via a link, email, or embedding it on a website. In that sharing window, you'll see several icons that represent different sharing options. One of these icons looks like a small square made up of smaller squares, which represents a QR code. Click on the QR code icon. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Forms will automatically generate a unique QR code that links directly to your form. You should now see the QR code displayed on your screen. At this point, you can already test it. If you have a smartphone or tablet nearby, open the camera app or a QR scanner app, point it at the code on your screen, and make sure it takes you straight to your form. Testing it now can help you avoid issues later if you plan to print or share it widely. Once you've confirmed that it works, you can download or share the QR code. Look for the download option near the QR image, usually labeled something like download along with a file format, often PNG. Click that and the QR code image will be saved to your device. Remember where you save it because you'll use this file in your other materials. After downloading, you can insert that QR code into documents, slides, posters, handouts, emails, or even display it on a screen during a presentation. Anyone with a smartphone can scan it and go directly to your Microsoft form without needing a link. If you don't want to download it, you can also share it directly by showing it on your screen in a live setting or including a screenshot in digital materials. Either way, the QR code will always point to the same form unless you delete or fundamentally change access to that form, and that's all there is to it. You've opened your form, clicked send, selected the QR code icon, and then downloaded or shared the QR code so others can access your Microsoft form quickly and easily.